Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. My name is John. Today, this video, we're going to be looking at restitching the steering wheel, not only in the Jeep Grand Wagoneer, but also in my Corvette. That's the goal for today. So in preparation for this video, I searched on the internet to get two different steering wheel covers that will need to be hand stitched on. I got like a red one. This is the only red one I could find. I was kind of hoping to get a darker one, but I found one for the Jeep off of eBay, and then I found one for the Corvette off of Amazon. They're a little bit different between the two of them, but let's see how it works out. Hey everyone, so right now I am working on stitching up the steering wheel to get it complete so we can reinstall it. I decided to take it out of the car because I already had a steering wheel puller from before. That gave me the opportunity to paint the back. I've never stitched a steering wheel, so if it turns out bad, my apologies. That's how it's going. This steering wheel and that steering wheel are the exact same size. Part of me is like, I kind of want to put the steering wheel in the TJ when I'm done, but I'm not going to. I'm going to put it in the Grand Wagoneer. That's what it was made for. Yeah. If you're thinking about doing this, I'll leave the link in the description. The red one is the one for the Grand Wagoneer. The black one is going to be the one for the Corvette. If you are going to do this project on the C4 Corvette, keep in mind these two pieces here. This was originally part of the actual cover, but it was just the extra material that I cut off, and it worked out pretty good. I also added a little bit of that padding from my headliner. I had a bunch of extra material, so I added a tiny bit here just to make it a bit softer. So let's see. There we go. For difficulty, I would rate doing this job like maybe a 3 out of 10. The reason why I say that is I have a steering wheel puller that I use to remove the steering wheels so I could do it like sitting on a couch nice and comfy, and that made the whole process a lot more enjoyable. I could see this being a very frustrating job if you're like meticulously like going through it like that. If I were to do this without taking the wheel off, what I would do is I would figure out what the most comfortable spot is, and then I would stitch maybe 5 inches of that area. I turn the car on and I turn the wheel, so the next part I need to stitch is in that same spot. I could keep it very consistent until you're all the way done. If you can remove it though, I definitely would say remove it. It makes the whole job a lot easier. I'm in Canada, so it is like the weather's actually been kind of nice, but it can get cold. I don't know when you're going to do this, if you're ever going to do it, but if you do it, it could be cold out, so being able to control that, not a bad idea. Yeah, thank you for tuning in. Thank you for watching. I really enjoy making these videos, and I'm interested to see how they evolve over time. So if you want to see more, subscribe. If you want to be notified when I put out videos, I don't really put them out that often, but when I do, if you hit the bell, then you'll get like a notification that I put a new video out. I will see you guys next week. I'm going to be putting out videos once a week. That is my new goal. Hopefully I can do it. All right, bye for now.